Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Tyriana Love, also known as Song Creator, or by my first name, India. So let me tell you guys, I started taking engineering serious around maybe like the fall of 2019. Went to SAE, which is an engineering school here in Atlanta, which sucked, by the way, because of COVID. And for some reason, like, I started off with these Scarlett headphones, right? And for some reason, these are just always the ones that I like grab and use. But as you engineer, as you get better with time, your ears start to train and develop differently. So at first I thought these were great. I was like, oh, okay, I can hear everything in there. I just recorded for almost 2 years with these Scarlett headphones. And then sometimes I'll use these blue headphones. Barely though, because they just get a little weird to me sometimes. And they're kind of like heavy, so these are basically still brand new. Like, I barely use these. And then my friend got these for me last Christmas, these Tascam TH200X. I hated these too. So I never used them at all. So I'm always looking for ways to upgrade every couple of months or every 6 months or so, or depending on what's needed. And I feel like my ear has changed drastically, especially since I'm more mix engineer now, and I hate those headphones. So I said, let me go and upgrade my headphones to something new. So I went to Guitar Center after I did a little research, and I actually was not going in there for these are Akg Harman K371s. They costed me $155 with the protection and all that. They ended up being about like $200 or something like that. So these are probably not the ones that you want to start with if you're a beginning engineer and you're just not having the budget to spend $200 on headphones. There are some other options that you can use, but like I did, you can always upgrade over time once you develop a certain type of ear. So I always like to treat myself when I feel like I've accomplished something or done something big. I always like to go in Guitar Center. It's one of my favorite stores. And I picked these up because they didn't have the ones I initially went in there for. And I'm a Gemini, but I'm kind of weird too though. Like, if I go somewhere for something and like they don't have what I came for or an alternative, I get like really upset. Like, it's like the other side of me comes out. She ain't really pretty. So they did have these. They were the last pair. And they did tell me that these were amazing on the sub bass. I liked it, the frequency range, which is on here. I think it goes up to 50,000 hertz or something like that. 5,000 to 50,000 hertz or something like that. I'm trying to see where they said that at. So these are over the ear. They are closed back. They are studio professional grade headphones. So these, you will not be able to find these just anywhere. You will be going to some type of music store like a Guitar Center or Sam's. I think it's called Sam's something, whatever y'all got in California. But I just wanted to make this video to just kind of show you guys me opening them up. I see all these people do these cool unboxing videos, so I thought, why not try it too? So I'm usually really terrible with opening stuff up. I always tear the box up. So we're gonna be smart this time. We're gonna start with the stickers that they got on the sides. I was able to preview these headphones in Guitar Center before I bought them, and I did like the comfortability of the headphones over my ear. They were lightweight. Also, part of why I chose to get new headphones is because I'm more on the go now. Like, before, I was mostly sitting at home at night engineering and recording and mixing, but now I find myself more on the go. If you guys don't know, I am a personal assistant for a major artist whose name I will not mention in this video, just for my own personal reasons. But I'm usually on the go doing that job, working a lot, and there are times where I have downtime and I can sit on my laptop and I either make beats or I'm mixing or writing or anything like that. So I'm struggling, y'all. Oh, because there's more stickers. So you don't know why they gotta put 1,000 stickers. And I wanted to find some way to be able to work comfortably and efficiently while I'm traveling and on the go. Like on an airplane, at an airport, just on set while if I have downtime. And I wanted something that was professional and would just give me an amazing sound so that I could hear the quality of my vocals. When I'm making my beats, I've noticed too with those other headphones that I had, I wasn't able to really hear all of the instruments coming through the way that I wanted them to come through. And monitoring is very important to me, y'all guys. I listen to things over and over and over and over 1,000 times as I'm doing things. I got the first part of the box open, you guys, with the stickers off. And I love professional. I got all of my boxes for every music piece of equipment that I bought. I don't know, I just like them. So they put some type of like foam in here, the same type of foam that we would have in a booth. And the headphones actually come in this right here, this packaging. What else have you guys given me in here? It's looking like I have my 1/4 inch headphone jack, and this is just used, if I can get it out, guys, to attach to the other part of the headphones. If you're using an audio interface that requires you to use a 1/4 inch cable instead of the TSR, I think it's the TSR. So we've taken it out. The packaging, guys, again, these are very, very lightweight headphones. I'm just gonna stick them on my hair. I did do my braids today, y'all. So they fit really nice over my braids. My client is calling, so 1 second. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. So before I remove the plastic part, I'm really mad because I've already got, like, my hair always messes stuff up, right? Because I got all type of moisturizers and creams and everything in my hair. They just got a cute box. I like the cute box. It's very professional. Of course, you get your instruction palette, which, I mean, just put them on, plug them in and put them on your head. Shouldn't need, but then they give you this really cute professional bag with their logo on it, and I'm assuming that all of my cables are going to be in here. I'm assuming there's a springy coil cord and then a straight cord. That's usually how the headphones come, and I'm absolutely correct. For some reason, I just never cared for the spring type of, I just don't use these. They're very annoying to me. So there's 3 cables in here. And again, oh, okay, these have a TRS on the end of them. This is pretty cool, how you can hook these up. And so basically that other part that they put in here, which is this one, will just go over top of this to screw in. Mostly when you're screwing this into an audio interface or something that needs this thicker cable to go inside of it. I'm actually just gonna leave that on there for now. But just for your laptops or basic things that you're hooking up, you can plug up the regular one. So that is basically the unboxing of these headphones. They give you the same thing with this coil cord right here. I'm not sure how many feet these are, but they're gonna be good enough for me for me to use. So this is how this one comes as well. I can't say that I've seen a small TRS like this before. So that's the first time I've seen this on the back of a, that's how I know these professional. And my other ones, they didn't have all that, okay? They just regular. They got parts on here that I'm like, okay, that's something new and different. So I am mixing a record for clients tonight. I'm starting the mix, cleaning up the vocals, working on the leveling. I don't get too crazy into effects and stuff because there's already effects in the pre-mix, which is the recording that we did. So I already kind of have the way I want him to somewhat sound, but my mixes are going to be more so for leveling, vocal editing, just making sure that there's nothing crazy going on, that he doesn't have to record any parts over. And then once I get that part right with the levels, then the creative part starts to come in, where I'm working on the things like reverb, compression, delay, special effects, any cool things that I want to do with the vocals. So that will be the first time I'll be mixing in these headphones. Cool. So that's why they have that. So let's go ahead and take the plastic pieces off of these headphones. They're just so cute, and they just look so much more professional than the other ones. These are, again, guys, professional grade studio headphones. Great for monitoring, great for on-the-go jobs, on-the-go mixing and monitoring. These are pretty cool because I feel that I'm gonna be using this one the most, just to give me a little space. But again, guys, so they are pretty long, probably about 3 feet, and it's looking like the way you have to hook these up is they have the 3-prong cable set here. You just push this in. Y'all probably can't even see it, none of what I'm doing right now. I can't see what I'm doing right now, apparently. And I don't want to tear them up. Okay. I'm knowing these go right here because hence the prongs they put here and what they put here. So I've literally apparently never bought professional headphones because I've never seen this have to be done on a pair of them. So there we go. So now it's stuck in, which I actually like the idea of that because that's probably what's going to give you that balanced audio signal. And then of course you just put them on. I'm looking real cute in my headphones, right? And then because I'm gonna go straight into my computer and not my audio interface, I'm just gonna hook this piece up into the socket of my computer, which, guys, I'm an Apple baby, and then I'm just gonna find something to listen to. Okay. All loud off the rip. I haven't touched the volume on my laptop at all. The bass is in there good. Top end is good. I can definitely off the rip hear much better than I could hear in my Scarlett headphones. And y'all, I got them so long ago. Just getting just oil and stuff on my headphones day one. Ain't even been 5 minutes. What I can see on the inside, they just have a little bit of mesh to kind of cover the ears. But they're, I have small ears, pretty small head. I don't got no big head, y'all. So these actually just work really well for me. So I'm gonna do my first mix in the headphones just because, you guys, my monitors, of course, you see I'm doing this at home. I don't have a treated room at all. I'm literally in the middle of my living room. It's very open. So I can't trust my actual monitors because, one, I have cameras underneath my apartment building, and they have been causing a really crazy and strange radio frequency interference over the last 2 years, really, since I got my equipment. And I've tried everything to fix the issue, but it's just the way that my building is set up, so there's nothing that I can do about it. So I don't like to mix on my monitors anymore, just because I'm not getting a true sound, because I'm also hearing whatever song is on whatever radio station is playing at the time. But when I'm in the monitors on the headphones, I'm not getting any of that signal at all. I'm getting the pure signal directly from my laptop, minus the radio frequency that I'm getting. So I feel like I have a better shot when I'm on the go and I'm at home, at just actually hearing things in the headphones. And two, I feel like most people are listening to music either in the headphones, in their AirPods or whatever headphones they have, or they're in their car. So most of the time they're not listening on, they don't have these type of monitors at home. They're going to be listening from a phone, some type of portable speaker or something like that. So what I've been learning to do lately is kind of listen back to my mixes on like more common things that people are listening through. And headphones, I just always been more of a fan of, because I feel like I can just literally hear everything, and I can hear everything in my ears. I'm not getting any outside signal at all. I didn't go over, I'm not too technical on like all the like techie specs. This ain't what that video is about. I'm literally just showing y'all how I feel about them so far, opening them up. I just wanted to make my first unboxing video. But oh, they do tell you what they give you on the bottom of here. So this has extended frequency response. The sub is going to be really good in here. It says it has a high performance drivers and transducers, which you all know that's basically what a speaker is. A transducer. And I don't see anything spec wise that I would be able to say. They weigh 255 grams. I don't know if that means anything to anyone who just uses grams when they're talking. They do have a warning on here that says cancer and reproductive harm, and I just feel like, what the I'm just trying to work. I'm not trying to catch cancer and all of that. But again, guys, this video was on the Akg professional headphones, the K371s. They do have a couple of different styles. These are the ones that I chose. This is not a sponsored video at all. These are just a new audio engineer upgrading my equipment, and I'm going to try these out, and I'll give you guys an update on how my mix comes out, how I really feel about these headphones, and compared to some of the cheaper headphones that I have used. And again, guys, if you have the money to get the better quality sound, do it, because it's going to save you time, it's going to save you energy in the future. And that is the end of my video. Make sure you guys tap the link, like, subscribe, comment on this video for other videos that you guys may want to see. I am a singer, songwriter, audio engineer, producer, esthetician. I have all types of things that I'm doing. So if you guys have questions on any of that and want to see more videos, please comment below. Like, subscribe to my channel. I can't even talk. Subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend, share my videos, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later.